we good? All right, so I know we went quickly through class today, so I'm going to put this video together just so we can do the intrinsic muscles of the hand. So use your trail guide to follow along with the video, but you can see we're going to use different colors for each of our muscles. So this way, hopefully there won't be any confusion. So we're going to be doing the Thenar thumb muscles now. Okay, so I'm going to take the book away, and I'm going to gain a hand. Yay! See if you can guess whose hand this is. So the first one we're going to do is, again, find the thenar and the hypothenar muscle bulges, and we're going to draw the carpal ligament in between them. So this is going to be basically our origin for everything we're doing right now. Okay, so the first one is going to be lime green, and this is Abductor Pollicis Brevis, Abductor. So we know we got to go to the proximal phalanx, and we know we got to go to the ligaments. We're going to come up and over here, more radial in nature, so when this muscle contracts, she gets put into abduction. Okay? Second muscle is going to be red, and that's going to be our flexor pollicis brevis. Same basic origin, going to the base of the proximal phalanx. So we're going right about here. So when this muscle contracts, she's going to go into flexion. And then the third muscle, which will be orange, or as my wife says, orange, which isn't a word, is Opponens Pollicis. Okay, and unlike these two muscles, Opponens Pollicis goes to the metacarpal, right? So we're going to be right here on the metacarpal. And again, coming to the common origin. So when Opponens Pollicis contracts, it's moving the whole metacarpal into opposition, not the phalanx. And our third intrinsic muscle is going to be the sailboat, and that's adductor. So we find the third metacarpal right around here. We find the proximal phalanx right around there, and we make our sail that connects it. And I know the cadaver, the textbook, etc., will talk about multiple heads, etc., but for our purposes, we're just going to go with the one muscle coming across. So when this contracts, it's going to actually have the hand up, and when it contracts, it's going to pull the hand back perpendicular to the palm. So there's our 4 thenar muscles. 3 of them to the proximal phalanx, 1 of them to the metacarpal.